Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer language skills with Rosetta Stone, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin your language transfer journey with Rosetta Stone, create an account on the official website or app. Once registered, choose the language you wish to learn from the available options. After selecting your language, you'll be guided to choose your learning goals. Pick a goal that aligns with your personal needs, whether it's travel, career, or casual conversation. Next, set aside a dedicated study time in your daily schedule to ensure consistent practice. Begin with the introductory lessons, which cover basic vocabulary and pronunciation. Focus on listening to the native speakers and repeat the phrases out loud for effective practice. Utilize the pronunciation feature to assess your speaking accuracy. Engage with the interactive activities, which help reinforce what you've learned. As you progress, gradually dive into more advanced topics and complex sentences. Take advantage of the immersion method used by Rosetta Stone to enhance your understanding of the language and context. Incorporate the use of Rosetta Stone's mobile app to practice on the go. Join the community features to connect with other learners and to participate in conversations. Review previous lessons regularly to solidify your knowledge and track your progress. Consider using additional resources like books or movies in your target language to complement your learning. Stay motivated by setting small milestones and celebrating your achievements. Lastly, immerse yourself in the culture associated with the language to deepen your understanding and appreciation. Follow these steps, and you'll be well on your way to mastering a new language with Rosetta Stone. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.